the funding for the Head Start program. It is also set to expire on Saturday. The program provides nearly 65,000 children in 41 states with education, childcare, and nutrition. Let's bring in CBS News correspondent Nicole Valdes, who is live for us from Nashville. Nicole, can you explain how the program works and who it helps?
Yeah, hi, Liz. Well, you got to remember that this is a federal program that's been in place since 1965, and it really helps low-income families and their children try to get access to some of the resources that they may not otherwise have. That includes education, that includes health, so many other things, food, childcare, and the Head Start Association actually warned congressmen and women about the impacts that cutting this program could have earlier this week, saying in part that this shutdown, if it continues, could put tens of thousands of families in a, quote, crisis, losing access to some of those services. It may force some parents who rely on Head Start to care for their children while they go to work to have to miss work in order to care for those same kids. And say if the shutdown continues past November 1st, an estimated 140 Head Start programs across 41 states and Puerto Rico will not receive their operational funding. To give you some of the breakdown on what those numbers look like, here is some data from the association. It's 10% of Head Start programs across the country that could see impacts as a result of the ongoing shutdown, with about 65,000 slots that are usually available for children gone. And this could eliminate more than 22,000 staff positions nationwide. Liz.
It's a crucial program for so many children across this country, Nicole. So where will this lapse in funding really hit the hardest?
Yeah, well, the association says they believe nearly every state in the U.S. will feel the impact here, but some of the ones that could see the largest number of slots and positions taken away could be states like Florida, Georgia, and Missouri, as well as Ohio. Combined, they could see an additional, or rather, a combined 24,000 children that will lose access to those services and more than 7,500 staff members. To give you a perspective, here in Tennessee, we looked at the data on their website. It shows that about 250 slots for kids who need access could be taken away, and nearly 60 employees could be furloughed.
Nicole Valdes, thank you so much.